Had a whole intro planned, like, and I didn't even have a mic plugged in. So, oh well. um, hey guys, welcome to the live stream. Obviously, we're gonna be doing Advent of Code, like we've been doing for the past 10 days. So, I mean, you know, let's have it going. I need to set an alarm, just in case I forget to record. I got it in the nick of time last time, but I'm gonna do it like right at 11:59. So 11 p.m. 59. See, there we go. So that should give us enough time. So I'm actually going to shrink this a bit more, so I can get more room for this. So nothing new has happened. It's the wrong. It's double dash. So nothing new has happened since I haven't been streaming. I haven't done much coding. So yeah, we are just going to do day 10. Looks like something happened here. Did I not? Untracked. What? Okay. So yeah. I mean, I'm gonna do like the same. I'm gonna actually pull up a typing test. So typing test. Let's do 3 minutes actually. So, and then this just gets me warmed up. So the 3, 2, 1, go. Criminal. This is super slow. Just any kind of criminal. Enter. Into a shortcut. Hey, that's this year. What? Oh, I don't like the dash ones. Byogi. I love Byogi. Okay, grade 10 isn't that hard to complete in one summer. Despite their tiny size, punch of a mantis shrimp has the force of a... There's no way. Maybe relative to it, but there's no way this... Gordon Ramsay, woohoo! Oh, there we go. 52. So this is over a while. Yeah. Cool. So anyways, that should be a good warm-up. It's as best as I'm gonna get, even though like with code I can do an autocomplete, so like I can do something like this. So yeah. Any guesses? I do not know what it's going to be like. So I'm just going to just go with it. You probably hear the fan in the background because it's pretty hot in my room, even though it really doesn't make sense for it to be hot. Oh, that's Discord. So yeah. Oh, I heard someone else join the leaderboard. Private view. Yay! Hello. So it's just Spider on the Discord. He's a pretty active member, and he's just started it. But anyways, it's us three. I am second in this one, then private leaderboards, and I think I'm first in this one. Yeah. So I'm doing pretty good for myself, in all honesty. So, oh, I was about to say, there's my alarm telling me to start the recording, so I shall do just that. And this recording is just to help me post it to YouTube easier, because without it, then I'd have to either record the entire stream, which takes up a lot of space, or post it afterward, which takes too much time because I don't want to stay up till 1 or 2 posting a video. I'd rather just, as soon as I'm done with the admin of code, I just want to post the video and then have it for everyone to see, and then just be done with it. Basically get as smooth of a process as possible. Alright, so 13 seconds, 12 seconds, 11, 10, 9. Okay, I think we're ready to begin. So I got this window ready. 3, 2, 1, go. You're not loading. Each octopus has an energy level. What? Okay. Okay. So how many was, so what's the, okay. So it looks like we need a grid, which is pretty good because I have a, I need to, and I have a pretty good way of doing that. So split rows of 0 dot length rows dot length and then XY, and then just return rows of Y X. So this should get us, oh, and then return parse int of rows. So then we need to do for let I equal 0, I is less than 100 steps. Flashes. And then common dot for each 2D array. Value X, Y. Let new with equal, well, the same thing as this. But instead of a function, we're just going to initialize it to 0. And so, how we do this is, door's not closing? Okay, that's kind of weird, but
the wind is like pulling it out.
Whatever.
Wow.
So it needs to increase it by a value, so value plus 1. and then let value plus plus, and then if value is greater than 9, then flash is plus plus,
What's your question?
and then
I have a mending closer.
and then bop, bop, and then flash is so, and then it's also
Maybe.
value is equal to 0, and then new grid is equal to new grid of y x is equal to value. And then
Yes.
grid
wait a
is
minute,
equal to
why?
new grid. Oh, grid. And that should be it. So 1000. I feel like that is wrong. So it's saying it's 10 flashes
I
each
have not.
time.
I'm doing hot girl shit. But
I'm just going to plug in this. So it's also saying 1000, which isn't right. So let me see what's happening.
who's this? Oh, that's Miles. That's Miles' house. That's Miles' house. Is
Oh
there
wait,
still
as
an
soon
arrow in
as
there?
if it's equal to 9,
Oh.
that's what I gotta do. There we
Started
go.
Building a fucking
And
rail
so
system.
this is this one's saying it's 113,
And 27 chests.
which isn't right.
And like 15. Who?
Hold on, let me
What?
put this grid in
Yo,
there.
what?
So 187. Well, this is 2 steps.
No, like in the end.
So this should be only 9.
And
Ooh.
random wool blocks everywhere. 'Cause
That's
Enderman
not
picked them up.
cool. Console.log.
What in the
Let me
gosh diddly?
let me see if it works. So
Absolutely preposterous.
wait, what? Why is that middle one? Oh.
It's almost certainly was more.
Oh, this increases the energy level. Oh, I didn't see that step. I did not see that step. So yeah, we do need X, Y. So okay. Okay.
Is there Ender
That's not
stairs? I mean,
too
Ender
bad.
brick
So if
stairs.
that means we need to do something like this. Let j equals 0, or j is equal to -1, j is less than or equal to 1, j plus plus. We also need k.
Ender digs.
So k, and then if j is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, skip it.
I'm not gonna.
So now, if we do grid of y plus j, and then x plus k plus plus, and so that should help. Well, actually, let me do this. So let me do the flashes afterwards. So up, it's greater than 9, and then we gotta go through. We gotta go through new grid, and then now we just need to say if value new grid of y x is equal to the cap, so min of value or 0, or well, actually no, I gotta do if value is greater than or equal to 9, new grid
Whatever floats your boat.
of y x is equal to 0. Should be good
That
now.
jazzy wazzy.
Okay,
Pumpkin
so
spazzy.
what? Console.log grid.
Console.
Okay, so
I
yeah, that's
love
not right. That is not the right thing.
Brought to you by the FBI.
Well, let me. Oh wait. I know that shouldn't change anything, but let's see. So the thing is, it works for down
I don't
here.
think Miles has an intercept,
It works for down here.
to be entirely honest.
Yeah, this one so, but this one does
Yeah.
not work.
I'm getting ready to go mine packed ice.
Which is kind of weird because
So,
right
we'll
here
make a
should have added,
loadable.
like all these are 2, which means that they weren't
Which
affected.
means that in many cases,
This one
large
also
sections
wasn't
of it
affected.
will
This
have to
one,
be destroyed,
it seems like only 6 of them
in order
worked.
to make it evens.
Console.log.
Yeah. I mean, or netherrack.
Let me just do one step.
Right, but actually, that's true. If you build it, like while you're building it, but it's just,
Okay,
like,
that
it's just so
doesn't
much
seem
easier
to
get netherrack
work.
that for really long nether highways, I don't know. Honestly, fair enough. That I give you.
Oh,
I give you
new grid.
Full stride.
There. Okay, so that works for most of the outside. This one doesn't
So
work.
Tony wants to what?
Okay, that's kind of weird. It just flipped.
Oh, well, there's a couple of ways you can go about it. You can either make it 4 blocks high,
Which doesn't really make sense. Why would it flip? Like this works
because
now. This is
there's going to be, in some portion of it, there's going to be the ice highway, and then that's like 1 block of ice every other block in a straight line against a wall.
first increases.
So if you want to take a horse, then it needs to be either 1 block higher than that, because horses go on a 2 wide area, or make another block to the side by making it a 3 by 3 tunnel.
Okay, yeah,
Both need
flash
2 blocks
once per
above it,
step.
So it has to be at least 3 high by default.
Which what I do is I do the value
Up
and
to
then
you.
I increase it.
3 high, and then how many wide? Okay, so horses can't go on.
So that should work. I don't know why it's not working.
No, I'm saying, what I'm saying is it'll be the usable space in that tunnel will be a 1 block wide, 3 block tunnel area, and a 2 block wide, and a 1 block wide, 2 block high area. Here, watch my strength.
X, Y, return grid of Y, X. I thought that worked.
So ice highways are this shape. They're like this.
Oh, because it shouldn't matter what new grid is because it's being set.
If you want it to be an ice highway, and then the ice is sparsed out like
so it increases
like
the value.
Every other block on one side.
Split curve
So both
value
will be at this Y level, and the area they need to exist in is 2 blocks. They need to be 2 blocks high because you've got a player, and 2 blocks wide because both are 2 blocks wide. But they only
And if
need
it's greater than or
a
equal
block
to
of ice
9,
one out of these 4 blocks per
add
4
on.
blocks because they are 2 blocks wide again. So you'll always be touching at least one of them with this setup.
I see why.
But if you make it,
because this
if you make it,
this gets
if you want the horses
erased.
to be able to go through it, then you can either make it 1 block taller, so the horses will be on this Y level as well, and they'll be going this high.
Maybe if I do new grid of
you'll
Y,
actually be on this Y
X.
level, so you still need this 2 block space. So it has
There we
to
go.
be- it has to
Okay,
either be
fixed
4
it.
tall.
So
This is
yep.
for it being 4 blocks.
Yeah.
Or
I mean,
you can
I
make
just
it
put-
another block wider, and then the horses
this
will
array
just
in
go
there,
in this side
and then
area.
set this to
Unfortunately,
100,
that will make voting
and it
way
should.
harder,
Okay, it
because
breaks.
you have to stick to this wall, which isn't way harder, but it makes turning complicated.
Cannot read 5 undefined. Which one? X, Y. Alright, to see
That's
which
way
step
too
it
much
breaks.
ice. I don't have the time to mine that much ice.
Okay,
No. It's so hard.
1, 2, 3. So it's at this
Death
one.
Strider makes you move faster underwater. When you have Death Strider 3, you can walk on the ocean floor as fast as you walk on land. Death Strider 3 has been made.
And which line? 19.
Yeah. So you swim way faster, and you can walk on the ocean floor as fast as you walk on land. It's
Oh,
really
it's because...
useful for crossing those
Wait, no, that's right.
one wide pools
That's the same size.
of water that exist in the world. Pathos. I do think respiration decreases lifetime. You know what? Oh my god!
Got it. That's
Dina,
why.
are you watching?
That is why.
Goddamn. Alright, I'm gonna make...
If
Holy shit. I'm
y
gonna go put
plus
all my valuable
j
items in a chest real quick.
is less than 0 or y plus j is greater
You
than...
don't need the Y level as long as it's close enough.
Let me put parentheses.
I mean, you kind of do. And remember, the Y level does not...
If it's greater than rows.length, greater than or equal to rows.length. And then we need the same for x. X,
Oh,
j,
I got you.
k,
Yeah.
x, k, rows of 0.length. And if it's that, you also do not confirm, continue. Alright, and so, it didn't work. Oh, it's because I never counted,
No, all the big
I
ones
never
are dead,
counted
yeah.
flashes.
No, they don't respond.
Flashes plus plus.
Damn.
Scrolling. Nope. Okay, so let me see if this one's correct. And we can do our bug testing there. I don't think that's correct. Nope.
Are they on?
So then, so let's
Grab
do
Death
10
Rider.
steps.
You are faster.
206, which isn't right. So let me console log the grid. Console.log grid. Okay, well that doesn't help me really. Four, then I equals 0, I is less than... J. Really, J plus plus.
It's a big diffy.
K. K. K.
Infinite.
That's...
I mean, like, obviously you can't have both silk touch and fortune. But, like, you know.
Grid of J of K. Or string.
It doesn't matter which one's
Plus
better because you have to
equals
have both.
that.
You need two pickaxes, one with each.
And then between each one, console dot log, so it creates a new line.
So which means
here we go.
You get the block. That
So
you're
we're at
in most cases, like you can
this
mine an
step.
ore and it gives you the ore. instead of
Ooh.
stuff.
Wait.
Or you can mine stone and it doesn't give you cobblestone; it gives you stone.
If it's greater than or equal to 9? Oh, it's greater than 9. What about now? Okay, 659. Okay, I think that was the problem. Oh, wait. Wait a minute.
No, they do not respawn at all.
That's not right. We have 880. Okay. There's a couple of 9s in there. Yeah. Okay, well that's not right. So a couple problems is that in here, I'm just gonna copy and paste it.
No, I'm right by the 20, don't worry. I just need to get by the 20.
Control find 0. It's a bit spotty on the zeros. So like there's a couple of 9s, which shouldn't be 9. And then this space, there shouldn't be these 2 9s. This should also be it. So not everything is working. I'll also look over here. This one, oh wait, that's because it's here. So this one works, but then as soon as it gets to here, something breaks down. So let me try to find like an isolated example. So right here, 7 4. So it works here. It works here because it just adds. It adds. What? What? Oh. Well, that should work because new grid is already being set to that. Yeah, it should work. So like oh, I know why. It's because this one's doing it. Well, it's not doing it, but like it's not making anything flash. So let me do this one at a time. So let me add one to it. And so let me add, so it adds one to all of it. And just put this code here. So that adds all one to it. So I need to go and then I need to keep going until there's not a value greater than 1. And then maybe I can do it like a little recursive function. So while not contains flash, and not contains flash equals false. And so while that goes through it, it'll go through it'll go through and check for it. So then it'll go through here and it'll say if value is greater than 9, go through all of it and then add new grid to that, and then after it's added all of it, go through it, and if value is let test for new flash equal true, and then if value is greater than 9, just set that equal to false.
What does this say?
That means test for no flash,
Potion setup.
and then if it's false, so then
Kind of like potion setup. Kind of like.
test for no flash is equal to not contains flash. Or actually, we don't even need this. We could just say if test for no flash break, and then we could say let while true, and then we don't need this anymore.
We have channeling already.
So then what this will do is this will go through, and then this one will actually count the flashes.
I'm gonna clip that.
Okay. So this one isn't right. It does detect. Well, actually, it does not look like it detects. It looks like it only detects the 9s.
That was born in it.
Wait, doesn't this need to be new grid?
Line level 0.
Okay, well that doesn't fix anything. Yeah, so it does the same exact thing, which is strange. Console.log test for no flash. Okay, well now looking at that, let me add a space to this. This should not take this long. Yeah, Chief, I don't think this is working. Oh. I see why.
Not really, I'm sorry.
I see why. We probably should set
If y'all are just dueling it,
grid
I'll go
y
the other step.
x is
I
equal to
arrange
0, so
my,
this is
like,
probably
the
where we
next
should.
ship. And
And then flash is
you
plus
know,
plus.
we'll reconnect
And
we'll
then
go to
pop.
your base.
All falses.
Hi.
So that does not work.
Hello. Bro, that your mic is so ass.
Oh, it's also probably because I never
It's
set
it's
new
really
grid
not
equal
that
to
bad.
grid.
It sounds like you're like giving me fucking customer service.
Well, actually no, because new grid's the one being modified here.
I like
And
making
so
fun
I
of
don't
people's
know.
mics because they sound funny.
Well, now that I think
you
about it.
are perfectly clear. It's,
Okay, well.
Your words are perfectly clear. It's just the quality of it is funny.
Okay, well it
It's
does
fine.
it.
That's what I'm saying. It's like
It does
nothing about
it,
your voice
but
is
it's still
distorted.
returning the wrong value,
It just sounds like
which I don't understand why.
I I don't know how to describe it, man. It's like, I don't know. Nothing's wrong.
Okay, I don't care about this. I'm gonna care about the first one. There we go.
No, it's
So
not.
yeah,
no,
it
it's not.
has 10, 10, 10, 11s, 10s. It's kind of strange because
I'm not talking trash. You just broke as fuck.
it's saying that this is
It's not
going
that
to
bad.
it.
It's not that bad. It just sounds very different to everyone else's mind. Seeing as it's bad.
Well, now that I look at it, why should this?
I commit
Why should
nefarious
this one
acts.
go to? Because the only ones that affect it
Oh my god, Jason.
add.
I just haven't. I haven't heard your.
But, like,
on
that
Discord. Wait, did you
should
play Among Us
be
with us?
That should be the only one
Oh, okay. I
that
forgot.
affects
Okay,
it.
Never mind.
Which kind
Haven't been that long.
that's kind of weird. I don't know why that's the only one that affects it.
Yeah, but like that's
So-
in person. That's different.
So yeah, that should only add 5 to it. I don't know why it's saying C3. 4. Oh wait, yeah, because it should add 1 to it.
Wait.
It should. Okay, so this one should be 5, and then all these should be. You know what? My brain's too tired today. Goodbye.